Right, hello, welcome. Basically today I'm going to show you how to clean stroke restore suede sneakers. Obviously here we've got the A6 Gel Lyfe 3 snowflakes. As you can see, there's some stains here, which on suede's really annoying. If it's a wet stain, it's almost impossible to get rid of. But if it's a dry stain, there are ways of getting it out. I'm gonna show you a few little hacks because I actually really love cleaning my sneakers. It's like my little meditation. There's a really good hack for getting out the cracks in the midsoles using a heat gun, or if you've got a good hairdryer, that'll work. Obviously gonna be using brushes, a razor, to get out that lint that you get in the sock liner, a Suede Eraser, which supposedly, because you're not supposed to actually get suede wet because it can make the stain even worse. Some Jason Markk cleaner, and obviously I'm gonna do a bit of a lace swap. This might not even work, to be honest. I'm just seeing what happens. Oh yeah, and I got these on Vinted, which is our sort of like offer up if you're in the States. You've got all the reselling sites like StockX and Goat and everything. Then you've got eBay, then you've got Depop, then you've got Vinted. So yeah, let's see what happens. So first thing you want to do is actually just give the suede an overall good dry brush, because a lot of this will not come off, but it will just reset the suede and actually get a lot of crap and stuff off. Especially if we're going to get them wet, you want to start with the least amount of dirt on the sneaker as possible. So I always find just doing this every now and again to your kicks is probably good. The suede ones, just give them a really good brush. So now we're going to try this eraser. It's supposed to just sort of go over any stains and things. So we'll see how that goes. Don't know. Fucking stayed me. Anyway. Okay, so now I want to try and get rid of all this lint and stuff. So I'm gonna shave it out if I can. Obviously, I'm sure we all know and love a bit of Jason Markk's. You want to get them really soapy and go over them a few times, because the first time is just going to loosen things up. It's the second and third time when you're actually getting the dirt out. That's what you want, nice and soapy. Okay, that's that. For the midsole, I'm gonna hit it lightly using this like industrial paint stripper. So you just wanna hold it, like 4 to 5 inches away. It makes the sole basically expand, so it gets rid of all the creases and everything, but also you can get rid of the debossed A6 logo. Getting there. I'm not going to hit the outer sole because it's fairly clean, to be fair. A lot of you guys always ask me about where I get my rope laces from. To be honest, I just get a lot of them from Amazon if I can find the right colours. Otherwise, there's a really good site called Junkie Laces, I think, on Instagram. I'll try and link them in the description below. Just some basic, reflective white and grey 3M ropes. Whack these bad boys in and we'll do a side-by-side comparison. And there you go. So, I'll do a little side-by-side for you. So here's the clean shoe, and here's the original state that they came in, just grimy, dirty and stained. I'm really happy with how that midsole came out, and it's not bad considering I only paid £20 all in. I mean, here you can really see the difference across both the soles, and I can't recommend that heat gun enough. It will literally put years back into your trainers. So I'm gonna do the other one, and then I'll probably do a little on foot so you can see the final results. So there you go. Thanks for watching as always, and I hope that was fairly educational for you. Please subscribe if you're into real kicks and not just the hype, and I'll see you in the comments. Brrr.